Can you name all 5 of these birds? If you can, you're officially a bird genius. Level 1. Basic. Easy start. If you said morning dove, you got it. Level 2. Easy. If you guessed sparrow, you're on a roll. Level 3. Medium. Hold up. Just saying duck doesn't count. This is a female mallard. Level 4. Hard. This one's tricky. It's a northern mockingbird. Level 5. Genius. This is the rusty blackbird. If you nailed this, you're a true birding master. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and tag a friend to test them.